Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to manage orders on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to the left panel. You'll be able to see the orders tab right here. If you have one, you'll be able to see a number. Okay, so just click on it. As you can see, it is currently unfulfilled. Now you can just basically click on the order right here and you'll be able to see this dashboard. Okay, you can mark it as fulfilled, add in some notes at the top right. You can go ahead and scroll down. Here we have the subtotal, the taxes, and the shipping details. All right, you can leave a comment right here. You could also check the email that was sent to this user. So they'll be able to see this exact email. You can resend it or print it if you want to. And then once that's done, actually, you can click on this drop down. You can mark it as in hold or mark as in progress. Okay, for example, like that. As you can see, it is now in progress, or just straight up mark it as fulfilled. Okay, if it's already been shipped. Now you can go ahead and go to the top right, click on more actions and view the order status page if you want. So let's go ahead and check it out. And a new page will load. So let's just go ahead and wait for it. Now, as you can see here, it is confirmed and we are preparing these items for shipping. So the user should be able to see this specific page. Now let's go ahead and go back. You can refund if you want to, right here at the very top, and add in the reason for refund. Now once done, add in the amount and then refund. There you have it. That's how simple it is to manage orders on Shopify. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.